Hi coders, welcome back to 30 Days of Python series. I am Suresh I am taking you to the day 17 loop control statements in Python. Let us move on to the topics right now. So far we learned first program in Python, variable data types, variable naming rules, operators in Python, bitwise operators, bitwise shifting, complements, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets in Python, if, elif and else in Python, loops we explained in Python, functions in Python up to day 16. Now we are going to take up day 17. Let us move on to the today's day 17 topics. We are going to take up what are loops, why we need to change loops behavior, break statement, continue statement, pause statement, comparison among break versus continue versus pause, practical challenge, conclusion. Now we will see what is mastering in loops. Mastering in loops have three things to be remembered. One is break, another is continue and pause. Loops let us repeat tasks, but sometimes we need to change their flow. In Python we have break, continue and pause for this purpose. Okay, now we will see why we need to control loops. That thing we will see now. Loop control statements give you more flexibility. You can stop a loop early, skip certain iterations, or keep code blocks ready for later. These three things you have to remember. Now we will move on to the break statement. You see the example here. Find the number 7 in the list of numbers. There are 7 numbers. The break, what this does? Break stops the loop immediately when the condition is met. You see here, it will iterate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Immediately after finding 7, it will stop. That is a break statement. Next, we will see the continue. Continue skips the current iteration and moves to the next one. You see here for I in range 1 to 11, if modulus of I 2 equal to 0, continue. It will skip that number, then it will continue further. It is skipped if it is equal to 0. Next, we will see the pass. Pass is simply does nothing. It is just a placeholder. Useful when you are planning logic but haven't written in yet. That is the thing. Okay, you can do it later on. Pass, you can write the codings later on. That is the meaning. Okay, next we will see. Comparison chart. Break exits the loop entirely. Emergency break. Continue skips the current iteration. Skip song button like that. Pass. Third statement is pass. Does nothing, act as a placeholder to be continued. That's all. Now, hi coders. Welcome to the loop concept. Quickly we'll move on to the break first. Okay. In loop concepts, we'll see first break statement. For I in range 1 to 6 colon, it will iterate up to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I say print I, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll see here. Print I, it will simply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be printed. I want to have a break in between. That is, I want to break up to 3. Let us see how it can do. For I in range 1, 6, I will say if I will have to give condition. If I double equal to 3. Okay. If I double equal to 3, then you are to break. Now I will give print. After that, after break, I will give print. You will see. Now it will iterate 1, 3 loop. 1, 2. That is, when 3 comes, it immediately break. It will give you 1, 2 only. Okay. In 3 it breaks. This one it will work. Now we will see continue. Continue statement. Same thing we will do, no? We will see for I in range 1 comma 6, if I double equal to 3, then continue. In this case, the print statement will print, it will skip the 3 and it continues further. Okay. In the first case, you can see it will skip the 3 but stops at break, that stops as 2. In this case here, it skips the 3 and continue further. That is the difference between break and continue. Let us see how pass will work. For I in range 1 comma 6. See, pass, I told you, it does nothing, it is just a placeholder, useful when you are planning logic later. That is, but haven't written it yet right now. We will see now, if I double equal to 3, then pass print I. Still it will work as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Whenever if you want to put condition later, you can remove this pass and you can see break or continue or further if condition can be added. Okay. That's what the presentation today for the loop concepts. Break, continue, pass. End of day 17. Tomorrow day 18. Loop challenges, patterns, prime numbers and some will be taken up. Till then, bye bye. Please like my channel and subscribe the channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.